Good morning, dear students. Today we will do the chapter Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. And your book is Honeycomb. First, we know what is Hilsa Fish. Hilsa fish is a popular fish found in rivers of India. It is mostly sold during monsoon season. In the story, the season is probably of monsoon. Dear student, this is a very interesting story and very funny, and it is presented in the comic form. There is a kingdom. In the kingdom, everyone seems talking about the Hilsa fish. Fishermen catching no other fish in a particular, but only focusing on Hilsa fish. Even in the market, fish merchants selling Hilsa in great gusto. They are offering even discounts and other hacks to lure customers. The height of popularity reached inside the king's palace also. Even the ministers, courtiers found gossiping and discussing Hilsa fish. It is like Hilsa fish seems to be an important topic over other state affairs. So there was much stupidity all around. This angered the king. He wants that to be stopped. The king is shocked to find Gopal talking about the fish. Now, Gopal. Who is Gopal? Gopal was a famous courtier in the palace of king. He was brave and bold, and when the time came, he did not shy away from taking the challenge. Okay, now comes to a story. Now the king gave a challenge to Gopal. What was the challenge? Gopal is to bring Hilsa fish in the palace without getting hyped about it. Gopal accept the challenge. Now, what Gopal did? What was Gopal planning? Gopal gets half seven and smears ash on his face and takes on torn and dirty clothes. Now he looks like a filthy beggar. His wife opposes him, but he listens nothing. What did he do? From the market, he buys a Hilsa fish and walks toward the palace. No one is interested in the fish carried by him. At the palace gates, he is stopped by the guards. They think he is some beggar. He insists on meeting the king. Upon causing some commotion, the king allows the man to come in. In the palace, the king recognizes him from his journey to fish market to the palace. No one bothers to see what he is carrying. No one gives attention when a person looks like a rag picker or a beggar. Thus, in a very cunning way, Gopal accomplished the challenge. He wins the heart of the king. So we can say that Gopal is very smart. Now, moral of the story. What is the moral of the story? Gopal had think Gopal had no need to take up the challenge, as he was the courtier in the king's palace. He could have declined it and continued leading the luxurious life as usual. However, Gopal cared about his king and his feeling. Thus, he took up the challenge. Yes, the challenge was not huge. It proved that during the times of emergency, Gopal will definitely help his king and the people of kingdom. Another moral of that taking challenge in life is good and makes one popular. A person like Gopal, who has been appointed on the higher rank of courtier, is so down to earth that he literally dressed like a beggar. Never run away from challenge. Be open to them and accept them like a brave man like Gopal. So this is the very interesting story. Thank you.